And welcome back. It was a warm day today. I'm still going to say that even though we were a degree below our average high for this time of year, 80 being that high. 79 today, 49 this morning's low, so it was a little chilly this morning. Of course, no precipitation. We're 1 3/4 inches above where we should be for this time of year. Of course, we didn't set any records today, and really not a lot still going on across the southeastern U.S., although we do have, again, some clouds moving on in, and we have some nasty showers and thunderstorms going across north central and western Texas at the moment. This is kind of a part of our next storm system that you actually can't see, but here's kind of the eastern edge of it. The main area right now is over Phoenix, and that's going to take its time getting here, and it's going to be along with a cold front. Granted, the cold front's pretty strong right now. You can see between Dallas and Oklahoma City, it's about a 3-hour drive. You're looking at an 11-degree difference. Out ahead of it, of course, we're still sitting in the 70s across most of the region. As that cold front approaches, it is going to weaken, which will be nice. Again, that's going to be for your Thursday afternoon time frame, so we will already have our high most likely by then. And tonight's forecast will be in the mid-50s, considerable cloudiness, and those winds out of the south, right around 5 miles per hour. But as we go into tomorrow, we will clear out some as that high pressure we've been talking about pushes on off the east coast. Again, we'll have the return of those southerly winds, or we'll keep the southerly winds, I shall say. But it's going to get a little humid because we're going to have plenty of moisture moving back. The latest models right now are trying to take our dew points, which if you recall is a measure of the moisture in the atmosphere, upwards of in the mid-60s. So it's going to be a little muggy outside, I think, tomorrow, as well as your Thursday before or ahead of the thunderstorms before they arrive. All right, forecast is highs for tomorrow. It'll be right around 80 degrees, lower 80s, maybe a few upper 70s. Those winds still out of the south, 5 to 10 miles per hour, and I said we will clear on out, so we will be partly sunny. Visible satellite, again, of course, it's dark right now, but you can see there's those clouds moving on. We had some high clouds and some thicker clouds moved on in from the west. Here's a little spin going on with our next storm system, currently over Mexico. Again, that's going to kind of make a beeline to the northeast, and you can see some of those storms just kind of blow up really across north central Texas. What's interesting to notice, it kind of happens down here too. There's mountains across Mexico, so whenever the air gets forced up it starts to condense, it starts to cool and condense, and that's why you get those clouds. So you notice right there, all that air is getting forced up over the mountains, and we call that orographic lifting. But it's kind of cool to see that. We don't have to worry about that here, though, because we don't have any mountains that tall to worry about. All right, after we push those showers on off to the south and to the east, we will still, again, keep some thunderstorms. Going on into the first half of your Friday, it's a pretty slight chance right now, but then after that, we start to dry on out. Overall, looking pretty nice. We're still talking, though, 1 to 2 inches of rain over the next 5 days. Latest models have been trending downward a little bit, so that is good news. So weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Here we go. The next 3 days, your Wednesday, last nice day for this week, really will be in the lower 80s, in the 70s for Thursday, Friday. Again, 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms, only a 20% chance for your Friday. And then your weekend is looking gorgeous. Plenty of sunshine. We're back in the 80s, and we'll continue that trend upward on to mid to upper 80s by Monday into Tuesday of next week with a few more clouds, but overall not looking too bad once we get through or get into this weekend.
Yeah, nice temperatures, that's for sure.
Yeah, a little bit above average. We'll take that.
Into the week, but going into the weekend.
It was cold for so long that above average temperatures, that feels good.
Sound good.
Yeah, we'll be abnormally warm, I think, going into the majority of next week. So.
Hey, look who's in the shot now.
Hey, there you are.
All right, don't cook any bacon. The George Foreman grill.
Like
Mark was
bacon,
trying
though?
to push you out earlier.
No,
That's Mark's ego.
I wouldn't do that too.
All right, thanks.